Good morning, everybody. In the previous lecture, we had seen that the 15 years girl, whatever story she told to Mr. Nuttall, means that story was V1 by that girl. Actually, the things what she told Mr. Nuttall was not in that way. Actually, her aunt's husband and her aunt's two brothers went for hunting with that dog, but they went for hunting today itself. And after hunting, they will be back. And meanwhile, the conversation taken place between Mr. Nuttall and Mrs. Sappleton. And during that conversation, also, Mrs. Sappleton told him that her husband and her two brothers will come from this window. So at the same time, he means Mr. Nuttall became frightened and he was looking towards the window now and then. And at the same time, Mrs. Sappleton told him that here they came during the tea time. म्हणजे तेव्हा मिसेस सॅपल्टन मिस्टर नटेलला सांगते की माझे मिस्टर आणि माझे भाऊ आता आलेले आहे आणि चहाच्या वेळातच आलेले आहे. आणि ती 15 वर्ष वयाची मुलगी सुद्धा त्या विंडोतून बाहेर पाहत असते आणि मिस्टर नटेल सुद्धा त्या मुलीकडे आणि त्या विंडोतून बाहेर पाहत असतो. इन द डीपनिंग ट्विलाइट, ट्विलाइट म्हणजे संधी प्रकाश, संध्याकाळचा प्रकाश. In the deepening twilight, three figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. And as I already told you that in front of that window, there was a lawn. And in the deepening twilight, three figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. आणि त्या रात्रीच्या संध्याकाळच्या संधी प्रकाशामध्ये त्या तीन फिगर्स, तीन लोकांच्या, एक म्हणजे मिसेस सॅपल्टनचे पती आणि दोन मिसेस सॅपल्टनचे भाऊ, या तीन लोकांच्या फिगर्स त्या संधी प्रकाशामध्ये लॉन क्रॉस करून, लॉनच्या पलीकडून, लॉन वरून येताना त्या विंडो मधून अक्षरशः दिसत होत्या. They all carried guns under their arms, and one of them was additionally burdened with a white coat hung over his shoulders. Actually, those three figures were carried guns under their arms. And earlier, as Mrs. Sappleton told Mr. Nuttall that her husband went for hunting and he had carried a coat, a white coat hanging over his shoulder. In the same way, means they were having gun as well as the white coat which was hung over the shoulder of Mrs. Shackleton's husband. A tired brown spaniel kept close at their heels, and spaniel, brown spaniel, the dog was also with them, and the dog was also walking with the three figures. Noiselessly, they neared the house, and then a hoarse young voice chanted out of the dusk, I said, Bertie, why do you bound? So all the three people and that dog was very tired, and noiselessly they just came near to the house. And meanwhile, when they reached near the house, at that time there was a young voice, hoarse young voice, chanted out the song that I said, Bertie, why do you bound? Frampton grabbed. I hope that you are getting whatever I am teaching you. Frampton grabbed wildly. Grabbed म्हणजे पकडणे, घट्ट पकडणे. Frampton grabbed wildly at his stick and hat. The hall door, the gravel drive, and the front gate were dimly noted stages in his headlong. Headlong means म्हणजे धावत पडत. In a rush म्हणतो आपण त्याला. Retreat. Retreat means move away. Just a minute. Let me admit some students. Okay. So when Mr. Nuttall, or we can say Mr. Frampton, saw that three figures and a dog were coming through the window, he became very, what I can say, frightened. Frampton grabbed wildly at his stick and hat. When those three figures were coming Near that window, at the same time, Frampton grabbed his hat and stick, the hall door, which was near the hall door, and he was also grabbed that hall door. The gravel drive and the front gate were dimly noted stages in his headlong retreat. So he wildly grabbed his stick and hat in a rush, and he moved away through the door of that hall. म्हणजे जेव्हा तो त्या तीन फिगर्सला त्याच्या जवळ येताना पाहतो, तेव्हा तो त्याची हॅट आणि स्टिक घाई गडबडीत घट्ट पकडतो आणि त्या हॉलच्या दरवाजामधून बाहेर चालता होतो. A cyclist coming along the road had to run into the hedge means झुडूप, to avoid an imminent collision. Imminent means म्हणजे एखादी घडणारी असलेली घटना, आणि collision म्हणजे धडक. So when he went out hurriedly through that hall door, at that time there was a cyclist which was coming along the road, and that cyclist had to run into the hedge to avoid the imminent collision. आणि तो मिस्टर नटेल किंवा फ्रॅम्प्टन एवढ्या घाई गडबडीत, म्हणजे त्याला अक्षरशः भीती वाटते, की त्याला असं वाटते की आता भूत आले. कारण त्या मुलीने जे सांगितलं होतं की 3 वर्षापूर्वी, म्हणजे काही दिवसांपूर्वी, त्या मिसेस सॅपल्टनचे पती आणि तिचे 2 भाऊ शिकारीला गेलेले असते, ते आलेलेच नसतात आणि त्यांच्या बॉडीत सुद्धा मिळालेल्या नसतात आतापर्यंत. म्हणून त्याला असं वाटते मिस्टर फ्रॅम्प्टनला की आता हे भूतच आहे, आणि म्हणून तो धावत पळत घराच्या बाहेर जातो आणि त्या सायकलिस्टच्या अंगावर जातो. अक्षरशः तो सायकलिस्ट सुद्धा त्या झुडपात जाऊन पडतो, किंवा झुडपात त्याला जायचं, बाजूला जायचं काम पडते, जेणेकरून त्यांच्यामध्ये होणारी जी टक्कर राहते ते टाळता यायला पाहिजे म्हणून. I hope that you have understood. Here we are, my dear, said the bearer of the white Macintosh, coming in through the window. Fairly muddy, म्हणजे चिखलानं भरलेले, but most of it's dry. Who was that who bolted out as we came up? Bolted out means to run away suddenly. एकाएकी पडून जाणे. So here we are, my dear, said the bearer of the white Macintosh. आणि ज्या व्यक्तीच्या खांद्यावर पांढरा कोट लटकलेला असतो तो म्हणजे मिसेस सॅपल्टनचे पती असतात, आणि तिचे पती तिला म्हणतात की हिअर वी आर माय डिअर, आम्ही सगळे इथं आलेलो आहोत, आता आलेलो आहोत. कमिंग इन थ्रू दॅट विंडो मीन्स ही वॉज कमिंग थ्रू दॅट विंडो. At the same time, he uttered the words that here we are, my dear. हे बघ आम्ही आलो. Fairly muddy, but most of it's dry. Means all the 3 figures were fairly muddy, but most of the part of their bodies was dry. Who was that who bolted out as we came up? And he also asked a question to Mrs. Sappleton, that who was that man who just ran away suddenly by seeing towards seeing towards us, or when we came up, who was that person who just hurriedly went out or ran out of our house? A most extraordinary man, Mr. Nuttall, said Mrs. Sappleton. आणि मिसेस सॅपल्टन लगेच उत्तर देतात की तो माणूस म्हणजेच दॅट वॉज व्हेरी, ऑर वी कॅन से दॅट वॉज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मॅन, मिस्टर नटेल. त्याचं नाव मिस्टर नटेल आहे, जो की एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आहे, असाधारण व्यक्ती आहे. Could only talk about his illness and dashed off without a word of goodbye or apology when you arrived. आणि तो असाधारण व्यक्ती का आहे, तर जेव्हा जेव्हा त्यांनी माझ्याशी कन्व्हर्सेशन केलं तेव्हा तेव्हा तो त्याच्या तब्येतीबद्दलच बोलत होता. अँड वेन यू came up into the house, when you entered into the house, he went out of the house without saying a goodbye or without saying an apology. Means he went out. That's why he is an extraordinary man. One would think he had seen a ghost. आणि मिसेस सॅपल्टन पुढे म्हणतात की जणू काही कोणाला असं वाटेल, वन वुड थिंक दॅट ही हॅड सीन अ घोस्ट, जणू काही एखादा व्यक्ती भूत बघून जसा पळून जातो तशाच पद्धतीनं तो पळून गेला. आय एक्सपेक्ट इट वॉज द स्पॅनियल, सेड द नीस calmly. He told me he had a horror of dogs. Sorry, he told me he had a horror of dogs. Now that 15 years girls came into scene again, and she told that I expect it was the spaniel, said the niece calmly. So that niece, the 15 years girls, said to them calmly that it was only because of the spaniel. म्हणजे मला असं वाटते की तो स्पॅनियलमुळे म्हणजे कुत्र्यामुळे पळून गेलेला असावा. ही टोल्ड मी ही हॅड अ हॉरर ऑफ डॉग्स. कारण की मिस्टर नटेलनी मला सांगितलं आहे की त्याला कुत्र्यांची फार भीती वाटते. ही वॉज वन्स हंटेड into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of the Ganges by a pack of paria song. Paria means sorry, paria dogs means stray dogs, bhataknare kutre, and had to spend the night in a newly dug grave with the creature snarling म्हणजे वेगवेगळा आवाज करणारे and grinning and foaming just above him. And further she stated that he told me means Mr. Nuttall told me that he had horror of dog. What happens once means there were stray dogs were there in cemetery, and he he went to cemetery, and when he went to cemetery at that time there were stray dogs who surrounded Mr. Nuttall, and when he entered into the newly dug grave, and he had to spend an entire night in that grave due to dogs, and that's why he uh, frightened frightened what I can say, he had horror of dogs, or he had some what I can say, fear of dogs, or he is quite becomes fearful of the dogs, enough to make anyone lose their nerve. And dog's horror is enough. The horror of dog is enough to make anyone lose their nerve. आणि भीतीपोटी म्हणजे कोणीही, खास करून कुत्र्यांच्या भीतीपोटी कोणीही घाबरून जाते. रोमांस ऍट शॉर्ट नोटीस वॉज हर स्पेशालिटी. आणि खास करून त्या मुलीची जी स्टोरी बनवण्याची जी कला राहते, दॅट वॉज व्हेरी फॅन्सीफुल. It was fanciful skill she has. Means she made here two story. One story she told to Mr. Nuttall about her aunt's husband and her two brothers. Okay, her aunt's two brothers. And the second story she made with Mr. Nuttall himself about the horror of dogs. So thank you very much for listening me patiently. Thank you.